On our first page of our linear function unit notes, we learn how to write a linear equation. Now we can only write a linear equation when a situation or a pattern is linear, and that means that the situation or pattern increases or decreases by the same amount each time x increases by 1. This means that our rate of change is constant. So looking at some examples, we have James with $45, and he is saving $8 per week. That means he starts with $45, and after 1 week he has $45 plus $8. And then he saves $8 the next week, plus 8, the next week plus 8. So we're exhibiting a constant rate of change. We're adding 8, adding 8, adding 8. Similarly, Kyla, she has $30. Well, actually she owes $30, so she has negative $30. And then she borrows $5 the first week. So she has negative 35. The second week, she borrows $5 more. She has negative 40. The third week, she borrows $5, negative 45. So again, we have a constant rate of change, this time a constant decrease by $5. Here, Sia borrows $15, but now she's earning $5. So she has negative 15. After 1 week, she adds 5, so she has negative 10. Next week, she adds $5 more, plus 5, plus 5. So repeated addition or repeated subtraction. We have Vivek, he has $100. He spends $8 a week. So he starts with 100. After 1 week, he has 100 minus 8, 92, subtracts 8, repeated subtraction. So all of these cases are linear, and we can write a linear equation to represent them. The way we do that is all of our equations start with our start value. And then to represent this repeated addition or repeated subtraction, we multiply x by the rate of change. That's how much y goes up or down when x goes up by 1. So looking at James's case, he has $45. So we would have a start value of 45. His rate of change is 8. That's how much he's increasing by each week. And then his function rule, which is the same as his equation, is going to be 45 plus 8x. That represents the fact that after 1 week he has 45 plus $8. After 2 weeks he has 45 plus 8 times 2, which is the same as 8 plus 8. After 3 weeks he has 45 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is the same as 8 times 3. After 10 weeks he would have 45 plus 8 times 10, which is the same as 45 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, 10 times. Now the normal order to write this in is 8x plus 45, but when we're looking at a situation, for me it makes more sense to start with the start value. Either is fine. For Kyla, she owes $30, so she has negative $30, and then she subtracts 5 every week, so we're having repeated subtraction. That means our equation is going to be negative 30, so to start with she has negative $30, and then each week she subtracts $5 more. So after the first week she has negative 30 minus 5, negative 35. After the second week she has negative 30 minus 5, which is the same as negative 30 minus 2 times 5, etc. We have Sia, start value of negative 15. Again, she is in debt $15, and she earns $5 a week. So her rate of change is 5, meaning she adds 5 each time x increases by 1 because x is weeks. So here my function rule or my equation is negative 15 plus 5 times x. After 3 weeks, she's going to have negative 15 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is the same as negative 15 plus 5 times 3. After 12 weeks, she'd have negative 5 plus negative 15 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 12 times, which is the same as negative 15 plus 5 times 12. Finally, Vivek starts with $100. He spends $8 a week, so repeated subtraction. So his equation is y equals 100 minus 8 times x, where again we subtract 8 x times. So 100 minus 8 for the first week, 100 minus 8 times 2 for the second week to represent 100 minus 8 minus 8, 100 minus 8 times 3 for the third week, which is 100 minus 8 minus 8 minus 8.